Hey, this is Kalyan. So in this video, we'll learn how to upload our project to GitHub using Visual Studio Code. I've created a dummy project in which some files and node module folder is there. Now I want to push this project to our GitHub account. Now go to the GitHub account, or if you don't have an account, then go to the github.com, create a new one, and log in with that account. Now we will click on this new button. Clicking on this new button will means we are going to create a new repository. Repository means a folder in which our project will be there. Like, and I can give here a test project, and we will not click any button, then click on create repository, give the name and click on create repository. Now it will tell you some instructions, follow that. Echo command means we are going to create the readme file. Click entering this command will create a new file, readme.md. Then we will initialize the git repository to our locally created project. Then we will add this readme file into our git. Then we will add the commit, like whatever message you can write here. Okay, then we are going to rename the branch. Like by default the github branch is created as a master branch. We are going to create this, means rename this branch as main. Okay, now if I will change the branch name, means to check the branch name, then you can see the branch is main. And we will add the remote origin, means on which folder we are going to push, and then we will simply click on push, means we will simply uh, enter the push command. One thing I would like to tell you, we have some files, okay, but I want to push these 5 files. Now the node module file is folder is there, and this changes is showing 531. I don't want to push all this node module folder. You can do one thing, create one file name as dot git get ignore. Okay, this tells us that this tells the GitHub that we don't want to push a certain folder, in which here I can write node modules. When you will save this, then you can see the changes will, means it will ignore the node modules folder, and now we have only changes we want to push on our GitHub account. Similarly you can do with this env file also. Whatever you would like to, means you will not like to push that file onto the GitHub, and you can write that one into git ignore. Okay, now what I will do, what I will do, you can see here all the changes are there. You will stash all the changes. You will write command git add, then dot, means add all the files, then git commit, and whatever message commit is something, a message you want to write after every changes. Like I'm adding here push code GitHub. Okay, and now you can check the status. The status shows that what files are going to, means push. Actually I have done this, so that's why a status is not showing. After the status, or this is not a non-mandatory command, so after the commit you can directly push git push origin main. Our branch is main, as we have changed the master branch to main. Now if you will check the GitHub, if you will refresh, then you can see all the files are there. Okay, I will tell you something like I'm adding one line here, like test line, uh, adding to GitHub. Okay, I will save this file. You can see this, there will be a changes. If you will check here git status, then all the files we have means added. You can see after the changes of files, all the changes will come here. You will click on stash changes. Okay, then when you will check git status, it will tell you that yes, this file is going to be pushed onto the GitHub. Okay, now you will write command git add dot, means add all the files, and git commit m added line, and then simply git push origin main. This will push our file, means our changes, to the GitHub. You can see when you will click on this index file, then our changes will be there. Like you can see the commit message added line and this line is there. If you want to remove the line, then I can simply remove the line and I can simply do the step of saving. First click on stash, then git add, git commit and git push origin main. Or if the some files are there already present on the your origin, means if I've done any changes here, like you can see I have done these changes from here, test app. So this change is there. I want to bring this change to our locally this file. You can simply write a command git pull origin main. What this will do, bring all the changes to our file. Okay, if the merge conflict is there, right, like in this case, if I add some line like test app test command, okay, if I do commit from the here, and if I do the changes from here also, means if I don't pull the changes and if I do the changes here like test one, if I change, then commit, then git add, git commit, adding changes for conflict, git push origin main. You can see merge conflict will get happen. It tells that something which you have changes locally on the server code also there is something present on the same line. Okay, so you don't have that change right now, so we can't push the your code. So first we will have to do a git pull origin main. Now as we have changed the this line and the code is, and on the server also same line is there, on the same line changes is there, you can see this will happen. Now you will click on resolve in merge editor and you can see on the server this was there and on my local this is there. So it will tell you that what you would like to accept, means which changes you would like to do. If I want to do this, then I can accept in incoming or accept current or accept both, we can do. Okay, or so you can do like accept incoming. Yes, this line I want to do. Save the file. Now click on stash. Now if you will do git add, git commit m, uh, resolved merge conflict, git push origin main. Now this time it won't give us the merge conflict error and simply it will push all the changes to this GitHub. Okay, so this is how we can also remove our merge conflict. So this was the tutorial as to how to upload our project, resolve merge conflict, bring any changes or push any changes. For more such videos, you can follow the EaseLogic channel. Thank you.